G3 special deal unboxing. So this is the special deal from Atlantic. You get 2 kits and 1 original barrel. All this for $320. That's the only reason why I bought it, because these were more money. So you get 1 unmatching beat up kit. So I already went through it. Everything's there, just old. And you get 1 matching number kit. That is really nice condition. An original barrel that is pretty good. Yeah, I'll try to zoom that in, but it's nice. And the throat is good right here. Matching numbers, that means that this number, and the numbers on the bolt are matching 771. And it looks like all the bluing is about the same amount of wear. These used to be just a kit without anything. It used to be like $350 for the matching one. So now for $320 you get this kit, you get the barrel, and you get another kit that's non-matching. What I didn't like about the Atlantic packing is they didn't really pack it good, you know, like they only had this between these 2 kits. They're banging against each other. You can see the damage on the plastic wrapping. And even if you wanted 1 kit that is like perfect hand select or whatever, anywhere you want to buy these, you're not gonna get it, because see these sharp edges and everything, they put them in these plastic bags and they ship them, and they unnecessary, they get all scratched up and beat up, like this one right here. See, got all scratched up from these saw cuts on the receiver. It's so unnecessary. Like, with these people, when these vendors, when they get these kits, they should at least, wrap these so they don't incur any further damage. See, they'll look nicer, but it is what it is. The reason why these went on sales is probably because they're having a difficult time moving them. So many of these came in from Portugal into the United States over the past 5 years. When they first hit the market, there used to be like $350, $400, so they went down to 300, and now some of these they're down to $100, like this unmatching kit right here that I bought from another vendor for like 114. It's all there. It's just like you can see the bluing is all polished out from the wear. The bolt is good. It's just non-matching numbers, which it really doesn't matter. So why did I buy these? I mean, it's just a hobby. You're not gonna lose your money on this. Like, if you buy them so at the bottom cost like this, you're not gonna lose any money. Like, it's like almost like gold. It's like the inflation goes up, the value of the kits will go up. The value of the gun parts will go up. And eventually these will dry out, and then they're gonna be worth more money. So I'm really not losing anything on this, even as an investment. But I really want to build one of these, actually 2 of them, just as a hobby. That's the reason why I bought this one, because it was on sale. They're trying to move them. Plus you get the original barrel that I'm going to use. Original chrome line barrel. These new. I previously bought one new. They're $200. I mean, so if I was to buy a brand new barrel for this, $200, I mean, and I get 2 kits and a barrel for $300, I mean, I might as well do that. And I also, what I like about Atlantic, they didn't charge taxes. Usually some of these vendors, like you buy something used and beat up, and they charge you taxes even though they're in another state, so I don't know what the deal is. These are the small parts. I went through them and made sure everything's there. Everything, all the pins and pedal, the pedal pins, the stock pins, the flash hiders there. What else? I wanted to say, I already bought a jig for the receiver. I already made my bend. It's not finished yet, but the receiver, the flat is $100. This is the flat, PTR flat, $100. I bought the jig, which was not cheap, but I'm gonna use the jig. I'm gonna buy a few more of these. I'm gonna make the bends. I'm gonna make the video about building one of these, and then I'm gonna sell the jig. You know, that's how it is. I'm not gonna lose any money on it for sure. So it's a hobby that is not losing money. That's what I wanted to say in this video. It seems like the videos, when I'm gonna start making some of the videos about the gun parts, guns and stuff like that, because I also like guns, I like cars. And that's it. What else can I say? So keep following me, follow my channel. I'm gonna document how I make these builds. Obviously they're gonna be semi-automatic. I'm gonna have to, you know, make certain cuts and take certain parts out, so it's only semi-automatic, and follow the law, obviously. But then again, guys, like right now, it's probably the prime time to buy one of these, because vendors, the economy is kind of slowed down, and the vendors are not making the sales that they want, so they're just liquidating a lot of these, and now it's the best time to buy one of these spark kits. I mean, that's all, guys. See you next video. Follow me.